Yeah, and I'm back. Hopefully without any ghost sounds. And we're playing in the company of elves. And I turned down all other sound other than the sound effects. So I think things are going very well for us. Very well indeed. Because we've more or less destroyed his the enemy wizard's economy. And I don't know how many cities he might have, but even if he had 4 or 5 large cities that he cannot see, sorry about that. But he looks quite powerful still. Even if he had that, it would take him a lot of time to replace his losses and rebuild. And I'm not sure he can support all these units, because we must remember at this difficulty level, the computer does not get any economic bonuses. He's not economically stronger than I am, so he must be at his last leg. So my plan is, luckily these were saved. I'm going to return. I wonder if any of those have landing. Yes! I'm going to return if I can. I'm going to summon 2 more lizards. I'm going to cast resist elements or resist magic on all of them. Because that gives me a chance to resist both ranged attacks and this black sleep spell. And I'm going to... I'm not sure if I can get any Elven Lords over here in time. And then I'm going to send with this force 3 wizards, and I'm going to... or 4 wizards. That's 9 units. And I'm going to try again, and I'm supposing it will take around 10 rounds to get this force together. and yeah, I don't think he can stop it, and I'm willing to gamble upon that. But I need to play at my best, because any error, I think in these units, since he is undead, he might raise dead, so I can't afford to lose, because then all my problems will multiply. And they are threatening me. Amplifying tower. I don't feel I have the time. It will just have to be I need units. Another problem that I see is that I'm more or less I'm completely out of money, and instead of losing cities, I will sacrifice to get mana right now. I will sell some kind of building. Yes. No. That's annoying. That is annoying indeed. Because if we enter combat, we're going to sell it and then going to rebuild it right away, because I want to have mana in case there is any combat. Other than that, the city is going well, and I'm supposing now, the thing is, the other wizards, if the game mechanics are like they have been, the other wizards will be very soon to declare war on me. this maniac wizard will randomly attack the war army. So this means I'm probably facing a two-front war, and I want a sweeper unit. I want Pegasi to scout for me and to see incoming threats. And I'm going to sweep my land clear. So the longer it takes before we have any war, the better it is, of course. Yeah, so I think that's it. That's enough planning. So let's go. Let's go. See what happens. And the track that is playing now is Races at War, which is suiting. Cheers. Yeah, that's not a surprise, but it came very early. We have war with one already. That's insane. I'm sorry about this. I'm a little under the weather in various ways, but not when it comes to this game. Yeah, so they're just surrounding me with weak units. And here's the temptation. Do I attack? Maybe he's going for my... Yeah, but we need to retreat. No choice. Do I kill him? No, I don't want to give him a chance to cast. Many of these just have 2 units. How much can you... How much can you... I don't feel they're very powerful. How much I... One, two, three. He can't reach me. So I don't want to do this, but I'm going to have to. Sorry. God damn it. Oops, we are at a negative gold rate. I already pressed done. What race is he? He's a nomad. That's ridiculous. What a weak race that is. Yeah, so I'm thinking he will target this weak city. I'm thinking that. Ah. In the worst case, we will just have to lose it. And we're supposed to use our heroes, so because they're not doing much good sitting in the city. Although they give me some casting skill, it's designed. It's just 1/6 of their total that's given to me as a casting skill, so it's not much. They're supposed to be used. Let's go. I thought I saw... one. Okay. We actually really badly need to win this. And if we don't, we're going to lose the game, straight up. I'm wondering if you're punished movement-wise. I thought I saw some kind of army. Maybe I was wrong. Anyhow. We can try it with an insignificant unit first. Yeah, you do. You do. That's why I have to do this. These are landmines. Better not mess with me right now. These are four guys. Oh, how annoying. He probably can't join. These are 4. So we can add... We'll add an archer because we have no choice. We can't add an archer. Okay, so 4 elven lords, all my heroes, and a mage in the page. And if we lose this, we have lost the game, as I said. And there's nothing more we can do. I wonder if I used up my casting skill by casting... yeah, I probably did some of it. But no choice. Okay, let's hope for the best. Let's hope for the best. Oh, it took out one of my heroes already. Ugh. It was a Sage Master. How powerful are you? You're not very powerful at all. They're immune to cold. And I can't web them because these are probably also immune to cold. so I only have this weak fairy dust. Can I use Crack's ball because is he flying? Crack's call. Any non-flying corporal creature. He's non-corporal, so I can't use that either. Man. These Elven Lords are powerful. I'm going to lose my money-making hero. Oh, she can heal. This Bishan hero gives me extra movement. It's really nice. Damn it! Oh, and then I can't shoot. That was a close call, and we lost quite a bit, but Can't be helped. So like I said, we need 2 more great lizards and then we'll make our assault. So these, I wonder what these should do. Because it's extremely tempting to... Well, let's go. It's nothing. He's actually ultra elite. No, or a veteran, I meant to say. No, he's not. Sorry. Yeah, so now we need to... I don't know what happens if we run out of gold. Which we have done. Okay. Oh, don't bug on me. Okay, this is what happens when you run out of gold. They desert us, and they desert us quite quickly. Kind of have a hard time understanding where my armies are now, because I don't know which ones were hurt by this desertion. But should be able to take this one out. We don't have any mana. Oh god. So we have to wait. Things have kind of shown us that we don't have any money, so even if we want to, we can't be doing this. And they're festering with these disgusting cities. Thank you for that. You really do have to you can't. No, you can. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. That's costly. That's so costly. Good. So I'm not so sure if we will have time to cast resist elements. It might be pointless. running out of resources, and when the enemy hits, the other wizard starts hitting me, I might be in huge trouble, so I can't use that spot. Everything to increase money at this point. So now we can start casting resist elements. I don't think I need to cast this on the lizards because they won't die if I win the combat. Okay, move. Everything for money. Right now we need that. Need to keep producing the Elden Wars. Wow, it was one to hit. That's quite good. Is there a way to, let's say you want to remove this? No. Okay, let's go. Who did that? I don't like that they're able to cast volcanoes. He has 4. It was probably her, but you can't know. If he can cast volcanoes, he can cast volcanoes right on top of our most important resources. That, of course, is not a nice prospect. Even if we lose the city, it's worth it. Our problems are kind of deepening, if that makes sense. It's accumulating. Nice. That's ridiculous. He's at war with Stra. And that too is ridiculous, and I think one of these heroes must be entirely new, so yeah, I won't be casting resist magic upon... Let's do it. Upon the wizards. She needs to heal. And I need probably to heal. And even then there's a chance my hero will die, but we'll have to take that chance. Nice with extra movement for my lizards. I don't care if my elven cavalry dies, because we just need to get to the enemy. No! Again it happens. Yeah, you can hear. I can't cast any spells except... Let's do it. These can try to follow. No! Oh! Ah. These are the most important to take out. I'm going to try to surround the heroes. Don't want to lose the healer. Therefore I cast the heal spell upon her. think I lost the extra movement. We'll send an Elven Lord in each direction. In case we lose, I'm going to move around in the city. He'll just die, so we'll try to not make that happen. Can do it. So close. Look so close to killing Salkrig. Yes! Okay, we won't be getting sound for the wizard killing scene, but that's the price we have to pay for having Age of Wonders music. Okay, so race. 5 fame. Middle level. Oh! So that's it. That was a hard-fought battle. So I think I'll actually end it right there. I think I will. More powerful. So it's an interesting situation, but because we're at war with another wizard, he hasn't done anything yet. He might. This woman I killed, she just has scraps left. It can't be much. It will take her ages to get back. So we can now start clearing up land, and I might be looking at where those mages died, because it's kind of a bit annoying if some of my cities are defenseless without myself knowing. So I might look around at the map off screen. So save. That's about it. Goodbye for now.